Hoagie 1685 back here, Project Prowler. We'll do a little inside tour of the trailer, upgrades that we want to do, things we want to improve, and yeah, we'll check her out. Alright guys, here's the inside of the trailer. Walking in from the front door, we got the master bedroom right here. This is where most of the problem was. We knew when we bought the trailer. Don't mind the mattress cover. I don't know, the guy, previous owner had some duct tape on there. I guess it was coming apart. But there is a little bit of water damage. You can see on the blinds there some water staining, and you can see there was some water that got in, and most of the damage, the only damage to the trailer is up front here. I guess these trailers are very common. That front lip of the trailer, paint tanks are, there's a hinge that goes across, and it seems to be a problem area for the water to get in there. So we knew all this buying the trailer, that's why we got it for a good deal. And so we'll probably end up ripping this whole front part here apart and fixing it all, and yeah, we'll freshen her all up, get her sealed up top on the roof so everything's good. This trailer came with all curtains and everything. We took them all down in the fall. For the winter, my wife was gonna sew up some new curtains, but we just got busy, and so we got to get that done yet. And the cushions are all out because she's gonna put all new fabric on the cushions. And so that's the kitchen table there. It folds down to be a bed. Up above here is a nice little shelf area, storage, and also it flips down into a bunk. So that's good for small kids. It's hard to get a good video of the trailer, guys, just the way the camera just kind of zooms in on everything. But that's a nice little bunk there. So we're probably not going to need that for a while, so we'll just probably use this as nice storage. We have an old radio. It works, the speakers work and everything, but I'm totally gonna update that to a CD player with auxiliary, so you can plug your phone in, listen to music. Here's the kitchen. It's in good shape. The microwave's like brand new, it's like never been used. Pretty hot in this trailer right now. It's over 30 degrees, yikes. Nice range hood fan, works good. Here's your stove. Nice 3-burner, a little bit of stain there, we'll try to clean that up. But other than that, like really good shape. The oven is like brand new. I don't think it's ever been used. So, don't need to do much there other than some cleaning. The sink is great, really good shape, it's huge. Now these taps are this cheap RV taps, they're just plastic. So we'll upgrade that to a nice residential tap, probably a Moen or a Delta. Some nice storage up above. You got your monitor for your tanks. I don't even know how well these things work. A lot of people don't like them. Seems to be reading good right now. And we got a nice fridge, propane and electric. It's obviously off right now. I just, over the winter, shut it all off. Nice, lots of room in there. I already kind of cleaned it up a little bit. We'll do some more cleaning on that, freshen it up some more. This is a sought after feature in some trailers. The older ones don't have bunks. This has a nice bunk setup. And again, all the curtains are pulled off and in disarray because we're gonna sew all new curtains. There's a nice little privacy curtain we're gonna put back up here, and to keep it dark in there too for the kids. Nice little wardrobe right here. We got it full of storage right now and stuff. The furnace is down there, I believe, and that's the electrical panel. I'm gonna put a new digital thermostat in the trailer, upgrade that. This one works totally fine now, but I like a digital with a nice temperature readout. This is the bathroom. which is in really good shape. It's actually got a decent sized tub, and I'm 6'3", and there's a skylight, and I'll actually be able to shower in here, and my head will be up in that skylight. It'll be just fine. Again, we're gonna upgrade the all the taps in the shower head and everything. Now in here, all the moldings have gotten cracked, I guess from heat or whatever, and have all broken up. So we'll get all new moldings, or we'll do a really nice job. We'll silicone it all or whatever. Bathroom sink taps, again, just cheap RV plastic taps. We'll upgrade those to nice residential ones. More storage. There's your vent stack, goes up to the top of the trailer. And the throne, can't forget the throne. So yeah, it's not bad. I quite like this trailer. It's like I said, it's a 98, so it's nice, and this thing just needs a good cleaning. You know what I mean? And we know the front end has some water damage, and that's what we're gonna tackle. Get that all fixed up, and this trailer will be like brand new. I upgraded a lot of the lights to LED, so they're really nice and bright and use like a fraction of the power compared to the other bulbs. And obviously the crown jewel, I mean, if you have a trailer, you gotta have AC. And this particular one has the heat pump too, so I can have air conditioning, and if it gets cold out, I don't need to run my furnace. I can just put the heat pump on, and it blows nice warm air and heats the trailer up real nice. So yeah, that's a little inside the trailer for now. Like I said, we're just gonna pick away at things and clean it all up, but you get to see the before, and then you'll see the after. Oh, also I forgot to mention, we're gonna do a nice peel and stick tile backsplash here. That'll really spruce up the trailer. So that was another upgrade we wanted to do in here. The flooring is good. Like I said, it just needs a good cleaning. But yeah, I don't think we need to touch the flooring. I'm happy with that. And yeah, so there's a little inside tour of the trailer. And yeah, make sure you comment, and if you want to see more things, different things. And there's a fly on the camera. And yeah, we'll just show you along as we go and as we fix things. So make sure you like and subscribe, and yeah, have a good day.